Your phone mount might be the weakest part of your driving setup. One sharp turn, sudden brake, or rough road can send your phone flying when you need it most. That's why choosing the right mount matters. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best car phone mounts for Android and iPhone users, featuring powerful suction, rock-solid stability, and secure hands-free convenience. Let's see which one deserves the top spot. Number 1. VANMASS Military-Grade Car Phone Holder. The VANMASS Military-Grade Car Phone Holder is a premium mounting solution built for drivers who demand maximum stability, durability, and convenience. Designed with military-grade certified construction, it has been tested for shock resistance, security, and long-term reliability, making it a dependable companion for both everyday commuting and long-distance travel. The standout feature is its upgraded suction cup system, which delivers over 85 pounds of holding force to keep your smartphone firmly secured even on rough roads, sharp turns, and sudden stops. Its versatile design supports dashboard, windshield, and air vent mounting, allowing you to choose the ideal setup for your vehicle and driving style. The mount also features a smooth one-click release mechanism that makes attaching and removing your phone quick and effortless with just one hand. An adjustable telescopic arm provides flexible positioning, while the 360-degree rotating ball joint ensures the perfect viewing angle for navigation, hands-free calls, and media control. Compatible with most smartphones between 4 and 7 inches, including popular iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel models, the VANMASS Military-Grade Car Phone Holder combines strength, flexibility, and premium build quality, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want a secure and reliable phone mounting experience. Number 2. Visnfa MagSafe Wireless Charging Car Mount. The Visnfa MagSafe Wireless Charging Car Mount is an excellent choice for drivers who want the convenience of a secure phone holder combined with fast wireless charging. Designed for MagSafe-compatible devices, this mount automatically aligns and locks your phone into place, providing stable and efficient charging while you drive. Its standout feature is the powerful double-lock vacuum system, capable of supporting up to 105 pounds of holding force. Combined with an upgraded TPU suction cup, it remains firmly attached even in extreme temperatures and challenging driving conditions. The mount also uses a strong N56 neodymium magnetic system that delivers impressive holding power without interfering with GPS or mobile signals. The fully adjustable metal arm offers 360-degree rotation, 270-degree tilt, and flexible positioning options, allowing you to achieve the perfect viewing angle. Whether mounted on a dashboard, windshield, or other smooth surface, it provides a stable and convenient hands-free experience. Compatible with MagSafe iPhones and many Android devices using the included magnetic ring, the Visnfa MagSafe Wireless Charging Car Mount delivers a perfect combination of charging convenience, strong magnetic security, and flexible adjustability for modern drivers. Number 3. ACMEZING 3-in-1 Car Phone Holder. The ACMEZING 3-in-1 Car Phone Holder is designed for drivers who prioritize stability and versatility. Featuring support for dashboard, windshield, and air vent mounting, this holder adapts easily to different vehicles and personal preferences. Its standout feature is the powerful suction system that can handle loads exceeding 122 pounds. Combined with a reusable nanogel base and air pressure locking technology, the mount stays firmly attached even during sudden braking, sharp turns, and rough road conditions. The innovative double metal hook vent clip further enhances stability by providing a larger contact area and a more secure grip than traditional vent mounts. The mount is designed for effortless one-handed operation, allowing you to quickly insert or remove your phone while maintaining focus on the road. A fully adjustable design and 360-degree rotation ensure optimal viewing angles for navigation and hands-free communication. Built to accommodate a wide range of smartphones, the ACMEZING 3-in-1 Car Phone Holder combines impressive holding power, flexible installation options, and everyday convenience, making it a reliable choice for drivers seeking maximum versatility. Number 4. HTU 5-in-1 Military-Grade Car Phone Holder. The HTU 5-in-1 Military-Grade Car Phone Holder is a versatile mounting solution engineered to deliver exceptional stability and flexibility. Designed to work on dashboards, windshields, air vents, desks, and other smooth surfaces, it offers impressive adaptability for a variety of driving and everyday scenarios. Its standout feature is the industrial-strength suction system, capable of providing more than 100 pounds of holding force. The enlarged adhesive base and advanced silicone stabilization design help keep your phone secure even on rough roads and during sudden vehicle movements. A patented steel core vent clip further enhances stability while protecting vent blades from scratches and wear. The mount also features a dual-button release system that allows quick and convenient one-handed phone removal. Combined with a fully adjustable arm and a 360-degree rotating base, it enables precise positioning for navigation, calls, and entertainment. Constructed from premium-grade materials and backed by military-grade durability certifications, the HTU5 in-one-car phone holder offers dependable performance, broad compatibility, and a premium user experience for drivers looking for a highly versatile phone mount. Number 5. VANMASS MagSafe Car Mount. The VANMASS MagSafe Car Mount is a premium magnetic phone holder designed to provide exceptional convenience and stability for modern smartphones. Built with military-grade standards and years of engineering refinement, it delivers a reliable hands-free experience for everyday driving. Its standout feature is the powerful ND-FAB magnetic system, engineered to securely hold even large smartphones during bumpy rides, sudden stops, and sharp turns. Designed specifically for MagSafe-compatible devices, it allows instant attachment without clamps, while included metal rings ensure compatibility with many Android phones and non-MagSafe devices. The upgraded suction cup offers enhanced holding strength and durability, making it suitable for dashboard, windshield, and air vent installation. An aluminum telescopic arm reduces vibration and unwanted movement, providing a more stable viewing experience while driving. With easy installation, flexible positioning, and strong magnetic performance, the VANMASS MagSafe Car Mount delivers a clean, modern mounting solution. It is an excellent option for drivers who prefer the speed and simplicity of magnetic mounting without sacrificing security or reliability. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.